Hello, I'm Dwight Norris of fishingtowork.com, and I'm here on the Charles River, Watertown Dam, once again, looking for those striped bass. Got my striped bass shirt on. Check it out. See if we can't match it up. And we're on. It's a smallmouth bass. Smallmouth bass on the blue and white whopper plopper. It's barely a pound, but nice looking smallmouth bass on the Charles River. Yes. Oh, you missed it. It's kind of fun watching them. You can see that boil or slight jump, and they just like way off. They're like, they can't see it. They're just like too excited because there's bait. They eat everywhere, and they just can't make up their minds what to chase. If I go a little deeper, and I guess when the water's running really fast, it's a little deeper because it cuts a hole in the bottom. There's going to be striped bass there. But in the shallows, that's where I've been getting the smallmouth and the largemouth. You know, they're fun too. But I came here for the stripers. I'll get what I can get, because lately, before this, I wasn't catching jack. I always love it when the blue herring run starts. Might be some alewife in here too. I'm not like, you know, that knowledgeable about which type it is. The herring is pretty easy to compare what it is, but the alewife looks kind of like a long-bodied shad. Yes! That looks like a largemouth bass too. Yeah, jump, baby. Whoa, smallmouth bass. That's a bigger smallmouth bass. I am on the smallmouth. Whoa, don't stab me now. You are. Ow, there we go. Huh, you swiped at it sideways and caught it in the jaw. Now I got myself firmly £1.25, maybe? £1.50 if I'm feeling like, you know, look at this big fish. It's all you, baby. Get in here and do some of this where you are. Smallmouth. Oh man, I am slimy.